Hi, welcome YouTubers. This is Gia again in regards to some Louis Vuitton handbags. So my last video was about buying 5 handbags from Japan through eBay and under junk Louis Vuitton. And you can go, I'll put a link to that last video if it doesn't come up for the next video to watch, but and to show you that process. But I just got them in, so I did that. I think I got that St. Patty's Day, so March 17th. Today is the 22nd of March, so that did not take long. Like I was telling you, it does not take long to go ship to Japan. Now, what I did learn, and I wanted you guys to be aware of, that the other ones I bought through eBay from Japan, I was not charged a customs charge. They were a lot lower. But this one, because it was over $800, I was charged a customs charge and I had to pay an extra $80. So I bought this for $809. I'm going to show you today. And then I was charged for the taxes, came out to just about $100 for taxes and shipping. So I paid just over $900, I think $903. And then I got the DHL shipping charge they sent me, saying that it was sitting in LA after they just got processed through and cleared customs, and that I needed to pay this $80 for it to get to me. So I paid it. And then I looked back at the listing and it did say that there may be some charges. I did message the seller and he did say that it does say that on there, that anything really over $800, they do charge that. So be aware of that when you are bidding and getting these handbags, that if it's under $800, you may not be charged a customs charge. But if it's over $800, just be aware that's probably, you're looking at maybe another $80 to $100 on top of what you just paid for. So I did open up the bag, which then has all my bags here, but I didn't open up the second part of the bag. So I wanted to make sure I did the reveal of the unpackaging of these bags, because this is my first actual one that I bought of multiples, when, like I said, junk Louis Vuitton. So here we go. We're going to go and open this right now. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I do like that the seller packaged them really nice, and there's 5 of them in here. And I'm so excited to see how they look and the condition they're in, because in the pictures that the condition didn't look too bad. I didn't see any holes, rips, or anything like that. Any really staining on the canvas. It might have been dirty inside. And the lining is what the issues were for this. One of the handbags, the lining was like ripped out, which I was thinking of keeping that one and then selling the other 4. But I am going to, regardless of how nice it looks and what condition it's in, I am going to clean the canvas. I'm going to clean the pochette part and get everything, and then use the Brasso for the hardware, so that way it looks as new and shiny as possible before I put it on and sell on Poshmark. Now, if you are interested in any of these bags, I'm going to put a link below to where you can go to my Poshmark Closet, and hopefully they'll still be available for you to purchase. I'm not sure what I'm going to sell them for yet. So here we go. Here's the first one. Actually, the canvas looks really good. I'm looking at it and I'm surprised they even had it under junk Louis Vuitton. Now this is the one that they said that the lining was, this might be the one I'm keeping, but if you look, you see the lining, how messed up the top is. The bottom does not look as bad as the top. I don't know if you can see that, but, and then they all have the serial numbers and the Louis Vuitton. I mean, this is actually nice. This is, you can see here. So I'm, like I said, I'm going to clean it up. I think I may keep this one. Now I do see this, see that right there, but I'm going to clean the pochette, so it's going, you won't see that one, and I'll probably do a video on that too, on cleaning that. So that's number one. And this right here is also, I could see a little bit, so you can see, I don't know if you can see it, right here. Needs to be cleaned up. So that's number one. Okay, so there's the first one. Let's look at the second one. I have an audience here, so they're watching too. So here we go. The bottom looks good. The canvas all the way around looks excellent. Like I said, the vachetta needs some attention, as you can see right there, but all that can be cleaned up with the apple. I use the apple leather care. And so that will not be there or barely visible at all when I'm done with it. So the inside, and it does have a little bit of smell. Everybody keeps talking about the smell from Japan. It's not bad. So here's the inside. There is still a little bit of, as you can see here, a little closer in the very top of the lining. It's a little messed up, but that's still okay. There's people out there that, you know, they appreciate the exterior over the interior, and you still get a deal for it. So that would be bag number two. And it does have a little bit of stickiness to it on the inside, and we're gonna do another video of how to get rid of the smell and the stickiness of the handbags. Okay, here is the Louis number three. And you can see here, it's, I mean, really the vachetta is not bad at all. Like I said, I'm gonna clean it up with that leather care. You see it here. But the canvas is actually in excellent condition. In excellent condition. So I bought all 5 of these for $800, but out the door with shipping, taxes, custom charges, I paid just under $1,000, and I got 5 of them. Okay, so that's number 3. Number 4. This one has a little bit of white. You see that little white dots right there. But the canvas overall, it looks really good. There's the bottom. And we got the handles, all the handles. That's another thing that caught my attention. None of them were frayed or old or ripping or about to rip. So here's a little bit so you can see. So it's mostly the lining inside that they said it was for junk Louis Vuitton bags. So that's really not that bad. Okay. Okay, sorry about that, but I had to pause it for a minute because my significant other put the TV on and I could hear the TV in the background, and I don't know if you guys can hear it, so I'm just like trying to do a video here. So it's very sticky inside and just feels kind of grainy. So I'm definitely going to clean that up inside. Like I said, I'm going to probably do a video of the cleaning, how to clean the interior, how to get that smell out. So, but I mean, as you can see, it looks great though. This is a really nice handbag. It's the Bucket PM. And I'm gonna have to go down a little bit here. I mean, look at this. I mean, this is amazing. Amazing. I'm very happy with my purchase here. So I'm probably going to sell them each for about $400. So 400 times, well, times 5, so 4 times 5 is $2,000. I did pay just under $1,000. So I'd probably make $1,000 profit. And that's what I'm saying. We're all here to resell, how to make more money, you know, what to buy. And I've been looking on Poshmark, Mercari, and that's pretty much like the minimum I'm sorry, the middle of a sales price. There's some obviously for maybe $200-300 depending on the condition, and then there's some that are like $600. So I feel that $400 to $450 is a really great deal, especially after I do all the cleaning and making this look brand new again. But the canvas is amazing. I mean, I'm telling you, there is nothing wrong with this canvas at all. At all. I wish I got 5 never full Louis Vuitton bags. That would be amazing, right? But I got these wonderful bags, and I definitely think I may keep one because I'm always buying them and then turn around selling them, and be nice to have one, especially when I'm getting 5 of the exact same ones. And I just sold my Louis Vuitton Keep All 60, and I bought that I think out the door for $420, and then I sold it for $850. But I know Poshmark takes their fees and stuff, so really I think I made $680 on that one. So, and I'll probably put it up there so you could see that it says sold Poshmark and you can see the bag. But I actually bought it for myself, and then realized that I can probably buy another Keep All for about $100 less than what I purchased that one for. So I sold that one, and now I'm looking for another one for like $100 less. And I still may, even at that point, sell that one, because once again, I'm all about the buying and the selling. So this one here, you can see it does have a black stain on the front. You see there. But the canvas looks great, and like I said, I will be cleaning everything, the vachetta up, and make it new again, or at least as new as I can get it. I definitely will do that video for you guys, so you can see the before and after of these beautiful bags. This one hopefully will not be there anymore. This one, the interior is the better one of all of them. The interior is like nothing really wrong with the interior. And all the hardware, it shows a little wear, as you can see. Like, I don't know if you can see, but that will be clean, even though it does look newer. There's still, especially on the sides and in there, a little bit of dirt that needs to be cleaned up. So I'm going to clean these up, do a video on that. This is an amazing purchase. I think some other people from my last video took my advice, did what I said that you need to do to find multiple Louis Vuitton for inexpensive, and it's great for reselling, because I noticed that when I went back to that auction, it was a little bit more money than before, so probably people went to it and maybe bid on it. And if you did, great for you. I'm always here to, like I said, share what I know, and I'm continuously looking for other places to purchase for, it's inexpensive for you guys. See right here, where did it go? Right here. I don't know if you can see it right there. See, little white right here. So I'm going to clean these up, and then I will also do, like I said, show you the link, and then show you when, as they sell, what they sold for and what I made. And hopefully I can get all these sold by the end of this week. Today is Tuesday, so hopefully by Sunday they're all gone. Let's hope, right? So thank you. If you enjoy this, please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button. It does help me to, just keep going, knowing that I have people that are really interested in what I have to say, by hitting that subscribe button and saving it to my channel. You can go back to anytime. That just really, also motivates me too to continue doing this. So, so if you found any value in it, please hit the like button. I appreciate that. And until next time, thank you guys. Take care. Bye.